Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and this is Khushi. Today I'm going to bring new things of Google and they are really amazing. I hope you don't know. These are really useful in day-to-day life. So let's go. So the first one is like if I give you a number of many digits and tell you to pronounce it in a word form. So in only 1 minute. So you can Google it. It's really easy. Like 1, 2. Like I have searched this, so you just have to write this into English, and here the numeral form will come. The word form will come. So the next one is that people who are fond of watching movies, videos, and like that, so they can just easily see videos and movies by Google. Google has given us an opportunity, and the websites that give us free online movies leave virus also in our phones. So let's just see the Google Drive one. It's really easy. You need to write the name of the movie. Like I want to see the Frozen movie. Frozen 2, and just Google Drive in front of the movie name. Okay, so here you can see many links which are very safe. So let's go to the another one, which is if you want to experience the old Windows, which is not available right now. If you want to experience old Windows, you just need to write Windows 93. Okay, so here it's coming, and tantana, here you come to your Windows 93. You can see it's really like you can do like this also. So you can see now. If I want to see like Pokey, it's really interesting. So now let's go back. Yeah. So the next one is Google Mirror search. It will give you the reflection of the mirror. So it's really interesting. So let's go. Google, just write Google Mirror. Okay. And you'll see the top link. You just click there and write whatever you want to search, like how to make videos. So I have searched how to make YouTube videos, and I'll enter, or I'll just do this Google search, enter. And here you will see the search also a little, in the result also in the mirror reflection form. So now let's go back, and now let's go to now this one is really interesting. This one is really interesting. If you want to search by image, Google has given you the opportunity. So just go to images. Here search by image, upload an image, choose file, and I'll do this cute teddy and open. Uploading file, it's uploading. So yeah, it's uploading, and yeah, so here it has spring teddy bear. It has given a search, and then you can also see the similar images which are also cute. So let's go to the another one. Okay. So the next one is, if you want to keep a track of your flight, and you go everywhere, but you can't go right now because of coronavirus. So you just need to write flight if you want to keep track. You can use later also when this will open. So write the flight name also, like Go Air. So Go Air and G8329, like this. So you can see the flying schedule, and it can come, like that. So what happened? Yeah. So you can see where it's going from also. So the next one, is very interesting. So if you want to Google underwater, just write Google underwater. Okay. Click the top link, and here you can search, and when you will press the button search, it will bring more fish, and this is very interesting. So let's go to the another one, which is for people who are very tired and they want to play games, so they can just easily search Pac-Man Doodle game. Yeah, Pac-Man Doodle game. So this game is also very interesting, and you can just play more games like this, like tic-tac-toe, fun fact, solitaire, animal sound, snake, minesweeper, and many more. So the next one is, like, you want things related to YouTube or any links you want related. Okay, so you just type related youtube.com. okay, colon, you have to write related colon and the link and the thing you want related to, and here you can see things related to YouTube. So the next one is, if you want to calculate, okay, you want to calculate things, okay, just you open when someone asks you to calculate, you open things like calculator in a phone or device or laptop. So you can just do like this, enter. So actually this didn't work in my one because of some reasons, but if you have the new Windows, so you can try that in your that. You can do anything. Let's try once again. Yeah, so I think so my one something happened with my one. You can try in yours. Yeah, so the next one is also really interesting. If you want the date of Diwali or Holi, you can simply write Diwali 2020 and just do this and you will get the date. So let's go to the next one, which is about Kolkata weather. So you want to know about the weather of your country or city, so just write the name of the city you are living in and weather in front of it, and here you get the weather forecast of your city, of a city. Yeah. So next one is for the people who search a lot about articles and they read articles. So this is for them. Like you write something, Selena Gomez. Then you just simply want something about her past 2 days. So just go to tools here, anytime, and go like pasta. Okay. So now let's go to another one, which is also interesting. If you want things related to you want file format and type of topic in a file format which is different, you can just write the topic. Like I do like software engineering and I want the file format to PDF. So you can just see here, and many more, like here. So let's go. So this was my today's video and I hope you like this video, and please subscribe to my channel if you have not, because I'm going to bring more videos like these and you're gonna have more fun. And so this was my today's video and I hope you subscribe to my channel and like also. So bye bye.